today in Italy at the Verano racetrack. We have a nice Lambo. Now most cars left already, but we had a treat today. This is day number 1 of the Best of Italy race. It's held for the 3rd time, and it's one big crazy madness with all kinds of supercars, hypercars, the most special cars you can imagine. Most of them Italian, of course. There are some wild cards, so for some supercars that are not Italian, they are also very welcome. I have just driven the Maserati Monoposto. That was a blast. I could just take the car, have some fun, learn the car, because I will drive it on Sunday, the 3rd day. Can't wait, great car. Not the fastest car, not the most grippy, but nice balance, very playful. And can't wait to drive it again on Sunday during the Best of Italy race. Probably it will be rainy. This car's open. Okay, and look who's stealing my car now. Have fun, stay safe, keep it straight.
Rally drivers does it sideways.
I just really hope it starts raining in a second.
If it's raining tomorrow, you can drive this.
Oh, no. So we are following this bad boy. Hurry!
Yeah.
I need to see, okay?
Yeah.
But it's toy boy. Toy boy.
Mr. Rally Driver.
Toy boy. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Toy boy. The rules are the same all over the world.
Yes, yeah.
You don't have to pass.
No.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All.
Sorry about that.
The problem is this one.
I'm okay.
Yeah, you're.
Can I get my license?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Don't drive away without me, eh?
Bye.
We are going to leave soon.
And I'll stay behind with that police car.
They asked me to explain you the problem because they didn't give you that they should have neither a copy of the original of the
Saturday, today the real Best of Italy race starts. I'm very curious. Let's see how this will work out. It already feels very special.
Hey, buongiorno.
Hola!
Change car.
That's how we do it. It was luck. So day number 2 of the Best of Italy race. I would say officially day number 1, but yesterday we had an extra day at the Verano racetrack. So today and tomorrow there will be a run of 26 kilometers of closed roads, one way. We're lunching there and then the same road back again. And tomorrow exactly the same again. All beautiful Italian cars. Not all Italian though. Okay, so I would say this is the non-Italian section, right? That's how not to do it. How are you? Good. Yeah, so the bikes will start, and after the bikes, I think the cars will go.
enjoy.
Thanks, Nico. This is fun. Not in a very fast car, but it's Italy. Today is all about cars. What else do you want? Okay, so 20 something kilometers later is the finish. It felt like we drove for about 3 minutes. Very bumpy road, but a lot of fun, and it's crazy that you have all those blind corners and you know that nothing will come from the other way. So the lunch break is over and we are about to go back. Of course, the same route again. So this is the only BMW in the whole race. I'm not sure, but I think so. Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Okay. And this is the best BMW you can buy at the moment.
Thank you.
M2. Perfect. Have fun, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
We are just driving about 200 kilometers per hour, and with such a group, there's 200 plus driving legally on a public road. I think that's only possible in Italy. Viva Italia! So that was the Saturday, and now we're going to have a drink, eat something tonight, and getting ourselves ready for Sunday, where I will drive the cool Maserati. See you tomorrow. And here we are, day number 3, Sunday. Today I'm going to drive this car up the hill. They predicted some rain, but I don't see any cloud. In about 15 minutes we're off. There will be a photo shoot first, and then we're going as fast as possible up. Okay, Harry, you drove this car yesterday.
Yes.
And today you're driving something.
Nothing.
No, that's not true.
Nothing.
Why?
I'm staying down here, so it will be a
Boring.
very exciting day.
It will be
I
very.
don't know how many cups of coffees I can drink, so I'm going to make a new record.
Ah, come on. What? You sure can go up with somebody? No, you.
Well, I just
What,
got
okay.
the.
What about the Stratos?
Yeah, they asked me to drive the Stratos, but there's a problem that it has a Zenith sponsor, and my sponsor is
Ah.
Raymond Whale.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We cover it somehow. The guy said
Okay.
that
Anyhow. Okay, so right now we need to drive the cars, the special cars, over there for the photo shoot. The photo shoot would have been better with you in it.
Now you look perfect.
Thank you, darling.
But
Jody.
we're already way, yes.
You invited me.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, you invited me to come visit the Best of Italy race. Why is this event different than any other event? I felt it, but what could you say about it? Like,
What can I
why
say
is this special?
about
Why
this
should
event?
people visit the Best of Italy race? Why should they compete and just come check it out every single year?
Every single year.
Yeah.
In a different car, a better car, the latest Italian car, so change it.
Exactly.
And the best bicycle, because there's cycling too.
Yeah.
And we have the motorbikes. We have all three.
Yeah.
And the motorbikes.
Yeah, you have everything, right?
And you ride a motorbike too.
I do ride it. Yeah.
You do ride it.
Yeah, I do ride a motorbike. But I don't know if I should ride a motorbike next year.
Why not?
I'm a bit dangerous on two wheels.
Yeah,
So
we all
I have a bad
are.
history with a motorbike. But with cars, I'm completely fine.
So what are you going to bring next year?
Ooh, I need. I've got 1 year to
What can
find
we,
something.
What can we have? What should you drive?
It has to be Italian.
Yeah. It definitely has to be Italian.
It has to be Italian because Italian people make the greatest cars.
What's the best mark? Won't put you on all of them, all of the Italian ones.
Yeah, just every day something else.
Every day. Yeah.
Maybe that's an idea. Well,
But we've got 12 months.
exactly. Well, one thing is for sure, this event, it was the third time, right? Held for the third time, yeah? It was great. For me, it felt like this event was held for the, I don't know, 20th time. Really professional. Yeah, serious. So, I'm looking forward to come back. Can I come back?
Please come back.
Yeah?
You've been the highlight. You've been the best thing about Best of Italy. You just
Oh,
said
she's
yes,
so sweet.
You got on the plane. You came here. You took part. I love that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So yeah, let's say we'll come back next year.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so with all the great cars, all the great people in this great country, basically the best country in the world.
Yeah.
Is the best country in the world, Italy. So,
Always here.
Jody, thank you very much. Mwah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.